In my order, I was so excited to get the stuff, and I was like, this thing is supposed to be affordable. How come it's so expensive? I can't pay 600 bucks for skincare. And then I looked at my order and realized, oh my god, I've ordered 2 of the copper peptides. It's 150 ringgit for 1 bottle. I ordered 2. So I sent an email to 3Bs and I said, you know, I've made a mistake in my ordering. Could anything be done? And this wonderful girl, Chloe, got in touch with me and said, you know what, Han, no problem. We will give you store credit. You'll only get 1 bottle of the buffet copper peptides. You get 150 ringgit store credit. And she sent me the coupon and it was supposed to last for 6 months. And she was like, if you need an extension, we have another vitamin C ascorbyl tetraisoparmitate. Vitamin C. Okay, vitamin C and niacinamide are not friends. So we're gonna put you with the vitamin C stuff. Then we have buffet copper peptides. Copper does not work with Okay. It's taken me half my life to figure it out. But I think I've cracked the extraordinary code of the ordinary. Okay, new routine. This is the new AM routine. After cleansing, we're gonna hit the skin with buffet, because that's the first thing that should go on. And then we're gonna amp it up with some moisture, and then the niacinamide active. And lastly, we want to lock it all in with the azelaic acid suspension as a moisturizer. Okay, I got a very good resource from this girl, not this girl lah, but there's a blog that really broke it down. I'm gonna cry. Good. So ready for the PM routine? Coming up. Okay, I'm confident. I had a little bit of a breakdown just now, but it's okay. I'm confident in my PM routine now, and it's going to start like this. Okay, so after the cleanse, we're going to do acid exfoliation. Put this on the skin and wash it off after 5 to 10 minutes. It's okay because it's not as scary as this one. This one looks like blood. Once a week we do, once or twice. But this can be daily, okay? So there is going down. And then we're gonna put these two together. Wait, what are these again? Oh yeah, these are the actives. Okay, these are the actives. So they're gonna make the skin all new, nice, and then we're gonna finish it off with these two. The squalene is going to calm the skin down, and we're gonna taint it with a bit of caffeine. So we wake up in the morning and the skin is like, hello, I'm ready to go. I got caffeine. Okay, and then you apparently you need work, and we're gonna work our resistance up to you. Oh my god.